In this video, we're going to be looking at the Carioca drill, which is a form of crossover stepping where the trail leg, so the leg behind, is coming to the front and coming underneath. So as the left leg's leading and I stride out, it comes over, stride out, comes under, strides out, comes over and carries on like so. Now, one of the key benefits of this drill is it exaggerates rotation, so torque forces. So although for the most part, we're coming forwards and back, side to side, most movements involve a little bit of rotation at the joints. Now, we have hinge joints at the elbows and knees. You can see as that flexes and extends, we add torsion or rotational forces. It can be quite stressful, so it is key that we warm this up. So moving into the Carioca, you can see how we can really exaggerate the rotation. So as we're coming over and under and over, masses of rotation at the spine, specifically the thoracic spine and the hips, which will carry down through the knees and the ankles. So a little bit faster, coming over, under, over. So let's take a quick look at that drill in an outdoor setting.